Lazarus agrees to be the father of Zolega's child, and I think you guys know what this means by now, which is why I want us to talk about that here on this video. So if you're interested, then do stay tuned to this video. But first, I would like to request you guys to like the video, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Okay, as Team Hlathi, we're not happy with the fact that Lazarus agreed to this. Look, I understand that the guy had to do this due to pressure that he was receiving from his father, but no, man, this is not right. I wanted to see Hlathi's reaction when he learned that he was the father. I did mention this even on my previous video about this topic, that I wanted Hlathi to go back to Zolega and beg her to marry him, but I guess that will never happen now that Lazarus has agreed to Zolega's proposal. So for those who don't know or haven't watched Inimba, guys, Zolega is pregnant with Hlathi's child, and she then asked Lazarus to be the father of the child because she doesn't want Hlathi to know about all of this. And Lazarus, after receiving pressure from his father, wanted him to bear grandchildren for him. Lazarus decided to take Zolega's advice. He then told his dad that the child that Zolega is carrying is his, which means Hlathi will now have to feel the same pain that Zolega felt when Kha was taken away from her. So she now does what each and every viewer of Inimba wanted her to do, and that is taking Hlathi's child away from Hlathi. And as I've mentioned before, ladies and gentlemen, I don't like this at all, but then we are now. So wait to see more of what Inimba brings us on the upcoming episodes. And all of that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of this video. So comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.